Maayong buntag mga dong mga day, niabot na dyan ko din sa Camiguin Island. Like I was saying last night, I want to share with you this incredible property, beachfront resort right here on Camiguin Island. And it's like a Santorini, Mykonos inspired resort. As you can see, it's all white. There's a tiki hut here. Murag kusog yung hangin, so musulod sa ta. Let's go check it out. Okay, so you actually start up the hill, down the driveway, and we can walk down to the reception. So look at that, that looks beautiful, guys. Bintana Sa Paraiso Resort, aka window to paradise, and it's honestly so fitting. You'll see it later. We got the reception here. It's closed right now, so we'll just walk right past it. And then here we've got the entrance gate, so we'll walk up the steps. Hello. Nag-vlog sa ko, ha? So we'll walk up the steps, and we're actually staying here, the lower romantic room. So let's walk in, let's check it out. All right guys, let's go in. And this is the room. So let me close the door. So we've got the bed over here, and it's incredibly spacious, guys. You've got plenty of room to walk. I don't know. But yeah, so you've got the bed. Tried to clean up my stuff as much as possible, so it looks good for this video. We've got these really nice side tables, quite bougie in my opinion, which is so nice. And yeah, here's a little washing station. You've got the mini fridge. You got all my crap. I really tried to hide it, guys, but yeah, nice little spot to prepare your coffee for the morning. And let's check out the bathroom. Got the bathroom over here. Nothing crazy. Good for 1 packs or 2. I'm kidding, I'm joking. And yeah, got the sink again. Common theme, got my stuff everywhere. Really tried to hide it, but yeah, nice and simple sink, small mirror, gold accents as you can see, very nice. And now we are off to the best part, this incredible infinity pool overlooking the ocean. How amazing is that, guys? Let me overlay some footage from last night. I was just chilling at the edge as the sun was setting, honestly just trying to relax after a long day of travel. Look at that. Oh yeah, and you've got this spot here as well to dine, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's unbeatable views, honestly. Best spot to have your meals, in my opinion. So I'm surprised by a friend, an old friend over here from a while ago. So she actually served us sa 2018 ba? Dugay na kaya, so si Elsa? Si Elsa ni. So she served us in the other property there, so the Grand Tiki room. And I thought she stopped working here for some reason, but she's actually still here. So it's really awesome to see you again, and we caught up a little bit just then in the front door. But yeah, it was a crazy surprise to actually see her here again. So salamat kayo sa pagkuhan ng mga pagtabang ninyo. What's up? 4 years ago na to ba sa first room?
Tiki.
It was before this room was even built. This romantic room, the lower and the upper, and it was still under construction. That's when we met her ages ago. So it's so good to be back on the island and to see some familiar faces.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you. Nice to see you again.
So very missing. I miss you.
She's like a mom to me here. To me and Alex.
Yeah.
Sige.
Hi, Ma'am Alex.
Grabe. Sige. Thank you, kayo, ha.
God bless you.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure they even have a rooftop spot to have dinner, to have guests over. I was there a long time ago, so I'm walking up now the side of the building. Let's check it out. Let's have a look. Look at that. Oh, it's kind of empty. I guess they're using it for laundry. Anyway, let's go there. Oh, the sun's coming out. Oh my god, that looks amazing. And the sun came out to play. Perfect timing. Oh, honestly, I feel like in this video, it's just been a ton of adjectives kind of describing this resort, like amazing, beautiful, stunning. But that's how I really feel when I stay here. Like, beachfront resorts are probably the best. It's just so calming, super relaxing to be right by the ocean. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick room/resort tour. I'll also leave a link in the description so you can book Bintana Sa Paraiso. They have this property and another property up in the mountains, which I'll be checking out very soon. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel to check that out, as well as vlogs around Camiguin and around the Philippines. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.